Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can cancel your plan on Everyplate on your app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Everyplate app and you need to get logged in into your account. So once you have get logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply go in the settings section, and once you're in the settings section, you need to tap on select plan settings. So once you're in the select plan settings as well, you can see an option called deactivate. So simply tap on the deactivate option, and once you have tapped on it, simply select cancel anyway. After doing this, you need to provide a reason for why you are canceling your subscription. So once you have given a legitimate cancellation reason, you can simply tap on deactivate now option. So after doing this, you will be successful in canceling your Everyplate subscription on your Everyplate app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.